Yo, what's up? Good morning, another video. Today, walking vlog. All right, today is Sunday. So I thought I'll get out here and do my morning walk as I normally do. So I hope I'm encouraging people out here to stay healthy, continue walking, because actually walking is one of the ways you can actually burn weight and also don't put so much pressure on your knees. Because actually, I used to be one of the guys that like to always run every single day. And I didn't realize, because I'm a bit overweight, so that pounding on my knees, just imagine running an hour with over 30, 40 pounds of extra weight on you can actually do a lot of damage to your knees. So I learned that I can still get that same actual workout by just walking at a nice brisk pace, and sunny out here today. So normally my regimen is I walk about an hour every single day. So I usually try to clock in about 10,000 steps. Actually now the minimum is 15,000 steps per day. So as long as I can get 10 to 15,000 steps per day, we're good. So that's where we're at today, getting close to that 15,000 mark today. Just started today, so we're at the bare minimum. But I do encourage people to get out there and walk. Before you think, well, you don't sweat, not burning a lot of fats, but actually you're doing a lot of wonders to your body by just going out and walking every single day. So that's what I do. If I can actually post a link to my Strava, you can see on a daily basis, pretty much, I walk in at least 7 miles per day. And it doesn't feel like much because when you're walking, you can actually multitask it very easily. So what I normally do is I have my headset and I'll find some good YouTube videos because I have the premium one, so I can actually just close the browser and just listen to, I usually get a couple talks, a couple motivation videos. I can learn some knowledge videos. And I'll just go ahead and play that. And usually that 45 minutes to an hour will go pretty fast. You wouldn't really realize how fast the time would go. And at the same time, you're actually bettering yourself. You're improving your health. And at the same time, you're gaining knowledge. So today, I'm getting healthier, trying to get healthier, but at the same time, make videos. So that's another way of multitasking. Or sometimes I'll call my parents and talk to them, and sometimes that'll go quite fast. So I will end up talking the whole time. By the time I finish the phone, I'm already finished. So there's many ways you can actually multitask. If you like taking photos, take photos on your route, do some planning for the next day. So today's Sunday, you can be walking and doing some planning. So just get out there, encourage you to walk. And one of the things I also learned about walking, which would definitely improve your health, is say like you just had your big meal. Maybe you had a lot of carbs, you had a lot of sugars or whatever, or just a big meal. What you want to try to do is at least 30 minutes after you finish eating, go for a walk. You'll hear this all the time, go for a walk. Because what happens is after you had a really big meal, your body starts to pump a lot of insulin from your liver just to bring down your blood sugar. And sometimes it can spike very high. Sometimes it can take a while to go down. But if you go out and walk right away, it's gonna use that extra insulin for your muscles and open up. It's gonna go be used in all different types of ways. So you can actually you can bring down that blood sugar. And so, because all that extra insulin is gonna go to our belly, our thighs, our face, everywhere. It's gonna just cause problems. So now that's what I do after I finish eating. I'll go for a walk. So when I'm going for that walk, it's benefiting in so many ways that you wouldn't realize. So before I mentioned 10,000 steps was good enough, but now you gotta up it. Because 10,000 steps, you can pretty much roll out of bed and do 10,000. So I upped it to 15,000. So right now I'm using the Garmin watch, and I got the Garmin app. So if you have the Garmin, you got Apple, Motorola, or even just using your phone, calculate those steps and just get moving, because a lot of days now is a lot of people, we have that sedentary where we just sit at home all day and we just work at home. Like me, I work at home most of the time, so I don't get a lot of time to be moving around. I'm not working at a labor job where I'm constantly moving, constantly picking up stuff. So having that opportunity to just put those 10,000 steps in, even if you like running, you can do running too. Like my man here in Singapore, a lot of people do like doing that running. So if you're a runner, I just recommend just running at a slow pace. Try to stay in that fat burning zone of, I think it was 120 to max. I think you have max 125 and 120. And so because what happened when I was also running, I was running in like a zone 3 or zone 4, 140 beats per minute. And so what happens is when I get back, I end up, because I'm putting a lot of stress on my body and using a lot of sugars or a lot of carbs and stuff. So then when I get back, I want to eat more. So what happens is I burn the calories. I burn maybe 500-600 calories running for an hour. Then I end up putting it back on because I'm hungry. But with just walking, you're not going into that zone 3. So you're actually able to not crave a lot once you finish eating, running. So tons of benefits, and it's the most easiest, non-impact exercise. You can do it all the time. I can walk for days, for hours. The other day I walked for an hour and 54 minutes and it felt like nothing because it's just a stroll. It's just a stroll. But as you can see, I'm still working up a sweat here. I am working up a sweat. So, and it's just walking. And it also doesn't help too that it also helps that it's like 80 degrees out here or 33 Celsius. So, but I just get out here, get that walk in, call it a day, and we do it again tomorrow. Sometimes I'll do 2 times a day. That's the best thing, because just imagine trying to go do cardio, high intense cardio 2 times a day, morning and afternoon. You'd be spent, you'd be done. But here, if you're just taking a nice stroll, just walking slowly, no problem, shoot some video or listen to some talks, you're good. All right, so stay motivated. Also gotta find out your why you wanna do this. Me, I need to lose weight. As you can see, a lot of my older videos, I'm just trying to lose weight, trying to get down to the best version of myself. We're still trying, we're not perfect here, but we still can keep moving. So if you're on the couch watching this, start walking around the living room. If you're in the office, walk downstairs. Instead of taking the escalator, walk up the stairs. Just whatever you can do to get that heart rate up and get it moving. Just trust me, your heart, your lungs, they will love it. They will love it. Trust me, because they like to keep moving, keep pumping. All right, so, but just again, let you know, I'm not no doctor, I ain't no physician. I'm just sharing with you what I've done or what I'm doing that's making an impact on my life. So I'm just sharing for everybody else out there that you hear the term walking, it's not that bad, it's not that bad. Actually, it's a game changer. Honestly, it's a game changer. Walking 15,000 steps per day, 10 to 15,000 steps per day, you're doing a lot of justice to your body, and you can't go wrong. All right, so I'll give you a little shout out. We've been walking out here for about 20 minutes, and it's a nice little walk, especially on a Sunday. I like coming out on Sunday. The sidewalks are empty, got a lot of bikes and stuff. It's very quiet. And one thing you will get motivated when you're going walking, because you're gonna see a lot of other people out here trying to improve themselves at the same time. And so that's what we're trying to do here, is improve our body. All right, yes. So what you wanna do, my starter kit for walking 10 to 15,000 steps a day is prepare today for tomorrow, all right? What that means is prepare the night before. Go get you a good pair of walking shoes. So like me, I got some hookahs on. Let's go ahead and show you. I got the hookahs on. I also bring a sling bag. So I actually can put all my gear in here. So I sling that right across. I put my camera, everything inside here. Got my wallet, just in case I need to stop off to get some stuff. So got my wallet, my cash in there. Got the camera, got my glasses, got the microphone. I put it all in the bag. Make sure I got the Garmin watch charged up. I charge up the headset, got me a nice little hat to keep the sun from not beaming on my face. Sometimes I'm not really a glasses person, but if you want to wear sunglasses, wear your sunglasses and just get walking. That's it. You know, it ain't nothing to it. You don't got to go get no gym equipment. You don't got to go to the gym. You don't got to get a membership. That's the best thing about this, is you don't need a membership. As long as you got a space to walk, you're good. And you can walk anywhere pretty much. So it's like really no way of not wanting to walk, because there's always avenues and places to walk, even if it's raining. Sometimes when it's raining, I'll go to a spot or I just walk the stairs in the hallway, or I go to a car park, like a multi-story car park, and just walk up first level, second level, third level, fourth level, walk right back down, get my 45 minutes in, and that's it. Done, the day is done. Done, done, and done. So there's no excuses. So let me see if I can show you something that I would do on a rainy day. Might be different for your area, but I'm in Singapore, so they got a lot of these, let me show you, a lot of these car parks here, the multi-level. So what I'll do, I start at the bottom and I work my way all the way up to the top, all the way up to the top. And so you walk in, you go to the first level, go back up, go to the next level, walk to the other side, go back up and walk to the other side, and there you have it. All right, so no excuses. All right, anyway, thank you for tuning in to the Nichols Mindset All right, how using walking to improve your health, and just start today. Don't start tomorrow. Don't start on Monday. Don't start when you're on your birthday, after your birthday. Don't start till first of the year. If it's Tuesday, you start on Tuesday. If it's Thursday, you start on Thursday. Don't wait, don't procrastinate, because that's one of the things that gets a lot of people in trouble is procrastinating. Don't procrastinate. Just get out there and do it. All right, Nichols mindset, let's go.